Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's December 11th, Monday, and we're going on a little road trip down to Zions National Park from Bountiful, Utah, down I-15, and we just stopped to take a little rest. I'm the only one driving, and so I just wanted to stretch my legs a little bit, maybe take a 15-minute nap. So we just pulled off the side of the highway. That's I-15 you see over there, if you can see. There's a bunch of cows. I want to say hello to the cows. Hello. I wonder if these are Black Angus. I don't know. Oh, I scared them off. Well, I stepped on this hay here, and they ditched it. Hello. They're not huge cows. Hi, fellers. They're all listening to me. They're all look at them. Every once in a while, one of them is staring at me, like I got their attention. This is weird. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Every last one of them. Even from way over there, they're all looking at me. Here we are in Scipio, Utah. When I was a kid, I would occasionally bale hay, or would I say bale hay? The baler would bale them, and the kids would lift them. Maybe stronger kids, one could handle each bale of hay, throw it on the truck. Maybe it was two of us, but I don't think those bales of hay were this big. These are huge. They're tied with baling line. Okay, thank you. Here we are in Cedar City making a pit stop on our way to Springdale, Utah, which is right next to Zion National Park where we're spending the night. And I guess this is the Cedars up on here, a beautiful mountain here. This is the view. There's Walmart over here. My favorite DI thrift store. A little ridge up there, and you got Home Depot. Cedar City. Gotta love it. Here's the mountains. Okay, we made it to the Spring Hill Suites, Marriott Spring Hill Suites in Springdale, Utah, just near the entrance of Zion National Park, and just from our hotel. I mean, look at this. It is fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, we're at Springdale, and Stanford and I are going to play some tennis. And this is the scenery we get to play tennis by. Here's the tennis courts. Well, there's some volleyball courts, some tennis courts up there. Can you believe this? And here's our scenery. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. These mountains are absolutely beautiful. And let's see. Look at that one there. That one there. Okay, here's the other side, the shady side of our tennis court. All the way around, just fabulous. And tennis court's right there.